Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to brand new video. In this video I'm gonna be sharing with you my premium rule on Vmos Pro. It's gonna be with the SS calculator. It's gonna be working perfectly. Exposed and installed as well. It's going to be working, and it's gonna be working on Android with 32-bit and 64-bit. So the link is gonna be available in the description of the video, and let's get into the video. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as I just said, I'm gonna be sharing with you Vmos Pro premium rule with the SS calculator working perfectly. Exposed and installer and all that stuff working perfectly. So the link is gonna be available in the description of the video, the link of the room that I'm going to be sharing with you. I'm gonna be using this version of the Vmos Pro, which is the latest version of the Vmos Pro 1.3. The link as well is gonna be available in the description of the video. Then install the application on your Android device. Okay, so give you all the permission to the application. It's gonna be asking you to give you the permission to the application on the first time installing the application on your Android device. Give you all the permission to the application. Don't need to worry about it. It will not harm your device. It's 100% safe. So just give you all the control to the app and click right over here on the plus icon to add the room on the Vmos Pro. You're gonna click on it. Click on this three dots in the corner. A local room, import a local room. You're gonna choose the room where it's located. It should be in the downloaded folder or whatever you put the room. Just click on it and it's gonna start import on the Vmos Pro. In my case, I'm just gonna be clicking right over here on start, just to put up the room to show you. Okay, as you can see, the room has started. It's gonna be just like this. It's gonna be with the SS calculator. It's gonna be working properly. Expose the installer as well. It's going to be working. It's gonna be with Android 7.1.2. It's a fully customized room. The link is gonna be available in the description of the video. Okay, so that was the video stuff from here. If this video help you out, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet. Activate the notification to get notified about new video on the next one. Peace.